When he was taking the putt, I had my eyes closed and my heart was going from one side of my chest to the other. I just couldn't look at it, but when I heard the crowd roaring, I just happened to look at it, and then I started to cry, and then I was awake all night, and I'm sure, look, that's what it's all about, all excitement.
We are here in Shane Lowry's home golf club, Esker Hills. Friends, family and club members are still celebrating that historic Ryder Cup win for Europe, where Shane Lowry managed to overcome the heckling from the Americans and hole a decisive putt to retain the Ryder Cup.
I'm very, very proud today, very proud of him, very proud of him.
And the heckling didn't get to you too much?
Not at all. I'm well heckled. I'm heckled all my life, so I don't pass any remarks on it.
Shane is such a pleasant, quiet fella off the course, but when he gets out on the course, like his father on the football field, he settles down and he thrived in that. He's a tough guy when he's out on the course.
Look, the Monday morning after Europe winning away Ryder Cup in Bethpage and your local clubman sinks the winning putt is always an unbelievable day for Ireland, for Offaly, especially here in Esker Hills.
Like, we're so proud of Shane to think that the young man that came and learned his golf here and spent hours and hours and days and weeks out on Esker Hills. So proud to be part of such a wonderful story.
Oh, I'm very, very proud of him. Oh, and we all are, and the whole of Offaly is, and his whole family are. It's excitement, and it was good for our town, our county, our country, and the whole world. Give everyone a lift, please God.